Sure, let's dive into Royalton Luxury Resort Punta Cana, a place that keeps popping up in travel conversations for good reason. All right, picture this. You step off the plane and drive up to Royalton Punta Cana, a sprawling luxury resort on the pristine Bavaro beach. White sand, turquoise waters, it's postcard perfect. The resort promises an all-in luxury experience from the first moment you arrive. But does it live up to the hype? Let me break it down. If you're someone who dreads complicated check-ins, Royalton fixes that pain point immediately. Their Diamond Club guests get a streamlined VIP check-in process. You sit down comfortably with a welcome drink in hand while everything's taken care of. It's efficient luxury, and honestly, it feels pretty baller. Restaurants are always a gamble at all-inclusive resorts, right? Not here. They've got 9 different dining options, including everything from a sushi bar to a steakhouse. The average dinner wait time? About 15 minutes without reservations in non-peak hours. A solid win when you're starving after lounging by the pool all day. They've also got this thing called reservation-free dining, which might sound small, but it's a game changer. Zero stress about setting a schedule before your vacation even starts. Just wander into Hunter Steakhouse or Zen Teppanyaki when hunger calls. Pro tip, get to restaurants around 6 p.m. to beat the dinner rush. Speaking of food, let's talk buffet. If you automatically think mediocre food in stainless steel trays, prepare to be proven wrong. Royalton's Gourmet Marché buffet actually has high-quality rotating options, and yes, the desserts are Instagram-worthy. Try the freshly made crepes or lose yourself in the chocolate fountain. Now the rooms. They're decked out. You've got rain showers, memory foam mattresses, and USB-friendly outlets everywhere. A surprisingly thoughtful touch. But honestly, it's the balcony views that'll sell you. Whether it's an ocean view or a swim-up suite, they know exactly how to spoil you. Pools are everything here. You've got an adults-only pool, the Diamond Club pool, and the main pool, which has an infinity edge overlooking the beach. But the best part? Their lazy river. Grab a tube and just float your stress away. Warning, kids love it too, so it might not always be serene. Now, let's tackle the Royalton Splash Park. If you've got kids or you just like big water slides, it's a must. I counted 7 slides last time, including one brutal vertical drop I couldn't muster the courage to try. It's clean, well-maintained, and separated from the main relaxation zones. Smart design. Beach chairs can be the bane of any beach resort trip, especially when people hog them at 6 a.m. Nope, not here. Royalton has plenty of chairs and cabanas, so there's no need to get up at dawn to claim your spot. Pro tip, grab a margarita from the beach bar. Top-tier service. Their nightly entertainment is surprisingly solid for a resort. They've got everything from live bands to Michael Jackson tribute shows, and if you're a night owl, hit the casino or their XS disco bar. It's a short walk from the rooms, but far enough to not disrupt the quiet sleepers. Balance achieved. Service across the resort? Top-notch. Seriously, the staff hustles here. Someone forgot their beach towel at the lazy river? Boom, a fresh one arrives in minutes. Diamond Club members get a butler, and yes, it's every bit as helpful as it sounds. They'll book your excursions or stock your mini fridge exactly how you like. Here's the real deal. Royalton Punta Cana nails the balance between relaxation and activity. Whether you're here for the beach, the food, or just to unwind with family, it's worth every penny. Sure, not everything is perfect. Wi-Fi can be spotty in certain areas, but it's hard to compete with the level of luxury and flexibility you get.